Hello guys and welcome back to Unity Dev Tutorials, and in today's tutorial what we are going to do is we are going to make some advanced features in the previous UI menu. So what we will do is we'll be adding images and textures to this panel so that it should look more attractive and more fascinating. So what I have here is a war image which is taken from the internet, and a button type of a simple type button which I've taken this one also from internet, and I have made it as sprite 2D and UI. This one also sprite 2D and UI. Now what we will be doing is we'll be implementing this image on panel. So instead of taking this as a background, we'll drag it and drop it here so that this becomes our background now. And let's make it a bit no, 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 no. So choose a background. Yeah, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking an image UI image, and this is background image, background, and stretch it to its full length. So drag it and drop it here. Now you can see this. It is looking good. I think so. It's looking good. Yeah, this one. And when you hit play, this image will come along with your panel. Say this. So that is cool. So I've shown you how to implement image on panel. Now what I will be doing is I will be implementing this bloodstained button on career button. So here it is. If we drag it like this, it will be like this. So let's see if this one is looking cool or not. So this one is looking also fine. What we'll have to do is we'll have to increase the width and height of this button. So this is how you basically implement button textures. And if you know a bit of Photoshop, then it becomes very easy for you to change these things from simple to glossy effects and all that. So I'll just save and I'll just check it out. Hit play. So now you can see that this is looking very attractive. Now if you want to do that, do it same as I did. You can also take another image and attach it to a button, a child object image, and attach it to a button. So that won't affect your animation because you have animated a button and you are not. Yeah, you are not. Let me check if my screen recorder is working or not. Yes, it is working. So you have already attached animation to the button, so that won't affect your textures and all that. You have already attached textures, then the animation will be attached to that image and all, so you don't have to worry about. Now the best part is this command. So you can take any good image from the internet or somewhere. If you have, you can develop. If you have Photoshop developers and Photoshop image creator or illustrator, so you can do that. Probably it would take much time. You can also have good fonts So if you want to animate this one also, you can do that. Now I will show you one more animation. That is just because someone messaged me in private and told me that I want that button to be more animated and I want it to be looking more effective. So I said, okay, I'll just try to show you in the next video. So let's do that. I have this animation. Let me go and check my animation. So this is mission, the position. I just have to record the position to notepad. It says 1 is minus 74. See, um, good. 74. So the next animation, what we'll be doing is you have to create new clip here and take it as bounce effect, bounce effect, B effect. I'll name it as B effect. So before recording, we'll have to change this position by 74, and now we'll have to record it. So we'll gradually reduce the size and increase the size in small amounts. So let's do it and just note the values for every single thing. You need to note the values down. Note down the values. Width and height will be, I don't know how other people do this type of animation, but it's easy for you to record the values so that you can refer it whenever you want. So now the first animation will be reducing the size. Oh, I didn't noted the scale. Let me note the scales from 1 to actually whatever. So and back to 1, and then again back to 1.02 or 0.5, 1.05, 1.05, and then again back to 1. So whenever you hit play, you will see this type of effect. So now this one is moving very fast. So what we will do is we'll just reduce its size. I mean, like its animation speed. Go to project, effect. Let this loop time be as it is, and then make a transition from there to here, and reduce its speed to 0.5 or let's put it 0.3. Okay, now let's hit play and check it out. Now you can see that this effect is looking very cool. So I'll just add this effect to the career button as well. Let me save the scene and save the project first of all. Save the project. So you got the basic idea how to do all this sort of things. Animation without the help of any animator or any mocap animations. If you want, you can take any external plugins which are available on Android, Unity Asset Store, and you can add that animation to your button. But this one is fairly very simple and very easy to understand, because there you have to write a bundle of codes and bunch of codes and lines to get one thing to be animated. And here you can do that with the help of your keyframe animations. Now we will do this for career button. Go for this animation in the final. This is our final position as 34. So let's take this as as 34 only. Yeah, 34 position, and we'll also have this bounce effect to this career button as well. So as I done before, we'll have to go to the animation and create another animation. Now I will name this one as complete for career effect. And check if I have all my animations in the same panel. Yeah. And an animation panel, animation with another panel. Yeah, drag it here. I want everything to be arranged. That's just because it becomes very easy to do all this. If you want to go to the previous animation, you can go like this. Another 34. Let's make it 34. We don't want it to record. First of all, let's arrange the buttons, and now we'll record it. So let's just reduce this size. Increase it back to 1. Then again 0. And 0.03. So 1.03, 1.03, and 1.03. Again back to 1. And let's see. Here also we have to reduce its animation speed. So let's do that. We are in career button animator, and we'll have to make a transition from C animation to B C effect and reduce its 0.3. And let's see in the game C. So this is how the animation works. Now this career animation is still moving a bit faster. Let's reduce it to 0.25. Let's see. So this is giving you a good effect. Now this is this animation running in loop. Why I have kept this animation in loop, because we want this bounce effect to be continuous and we don't want it to uh, run it for once. So that's why I have kept it for loop. So this is how you can do button animation, panel animation, and and texturing of your panel and all that. Let me check if my screen recorder is working. Yeah, it is working. Okay, so this is how you can do a simple button animation which will give you a better and more dynamic effect to your game. Whenever you start making a game, first of all you have to make buttons and menus. So for that part of animation we have to use these things, and these all procedures we have to follow. So that's all for this video. Now I'll see you in the next video. And guys, if you like my videos and if you find this videos helpful, do like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of the videos uploaded by Unity Dev Tutorials. Bye and have a nice day. See you in the next video.